Hi guys, going to do another white wings. It's getting a little bit dark, might have to put the lights on. That just gives us shadows, doesn't it? Oh well. What does that do? Make it worse or better? Well, we'll see how we get on like that. Okay, another white wings. This one is the, if we can focus, the Racer 533 Sparrowhawk. Looking at this one, the wings come in two pieces rather than a single piece, and they fit there, so it looks like they've got a bit of an airfoil shape to them, or certainly a curve. So yeah, we'll have a go at this. I will be speeding up the video so we can get the focus back again. Okay, are you going to stay there this time? Yep, that should be locked off. Right, let's go for it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. That's the pack. Jet planes. Right, well, they're all cut out. I'm a little concerned. That's piece 1. That's piece 2 with a short end to it. Then that's piece 3. That just doesn't seem right to me. But on the other side, piece 4, piece 5, no, piece 4, piece 6, piece 5. It's an odd number of pieces. Okay, we'll stop for a second. Right, we've changed to the glass surface to keep it flat. And we're going to use the super glue again. And you can probably hear it's raining outside. Yeah, rain's gone off for a minute. Just in case you're wondering, I don't have the instructions. They were missing from the pack. Not quite sure how we're going to do this. Definitely going to get my fingers stuck this time. Definitely a bit more difficult than the previous one. And we've got to sort out the dihedral. Before I glue the tail on, I'm just going to go and check something on Joshua Finn's channel. Because if we want this to go round in a circle when it's gliding, you actually want the tail to be tilted slightly, but I can't remember which way you want it tilted. Whether you want it tilted that way or that way. It's only a small amount of tilt, but it helps the glider to go round in a circle once you've launched it. So a little bit that way or a little bit that way. I'm going to go and look it up. Right, it's only a minor thing, but if you have that tilted the wrong way, you'll have real trouble trimming it. So what Josh says is, if we look from the front, if that side is slightly higher than that side, and we're only talking a small amount, so looking from the back, it would be the left-hand side. Then if that's slightly higher, it will give you a left-hand circle when it's gliding. What you don't want is to accidentally put it on at a significant angle the opposite way to the way you want it to turn when it's gliding, because then you'll have no end of trouble trying to trim it back. So I'm going to glue it on there with just the very slightest. I mean, flat is okay, but if you give it a slight bit the other way, then when it does glide, if we ever get a chance to fly these, then it should be going round in a slightly left-hand circle. That's the plan. Of course, being as I'll probably want to test this indoors, I don't want it to turn at all. Right, well in theory, that's finished. That one seemed to be harder to build than the previous one because it was two separate wings that we had to join in the middle, whereas that one was a single wing that we just had to fold. And this has got a slight curve to it. Right, well that's it. That's it done. We're not going to be flying it today. Probably won't be flying it tomorrow because we really want a nice dry day if we're going to fly it outdoors. I might just throw it down the kitchen and see how it flies anyway. But we're not going to get a 60-second flight indoors or whatever it said you'd get. Or 30-second, wasn't it? Yeah, 30 seconds, 300 feet. That's not going to happen in my kitchen, is it? So I'm going to have to build a few of these and then, if we get a nice day, go out and try them all at once. Just a thought about this. Let's turn the camera straight. Yeah, these are going to be hopeless when we try and fly them outdoors. They're going to be so small. We're not going to see them on camera. So, well, we'll find out. But I suspect there'll be nothing to see because it'll be too small. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.